Alright guys, what is up? We are out here. I've been sick all day. I got tired of being sick, so I got up and I come out here and we did this. So this is what we're doing, guys. We're still grinding. We took most of the day off and just chilled out. You can hear it in my voice. It's alright. It's what it is. It's that season. It's coming, so we just got to deal with it. I feel better than I did earlier today, so that's always a plus. And looking at the Jag always makes me feel better, getting out here, trapping it out, doing the things. I didn't really get to see anybody. Justin, he stopped by for a little while earlier. He was hanging out for a little bit, but we just kind of hung out and laid low today, stay here at the pad. And this is what I did today. This is about it, really. I just hung out, and this really is about all I accomplished. But it's good enough for me. We'll take it. We got some pictures, we got some videos, and we're gonna put them up, guys. So this is what we got. This is the Jag with the underglow. We got the inside lights. I got the RGB dome lights. I didn't get them in. I got the ones in the floorboards in, but I didn't get a chance to get the upper ones in. The ones for the back seats and the one in the main console in the top. I didn't get a chance to get those in, but we'll get those another day, guys. We'll get the videos, all that good stuff is coming, so stay tuned and keep on trapping, and we'll see you in the next clip, guys.